So that's us had a little pit stop at Kilcreggan.
Kilcreggan, right?
Absolutely stunning.
Everyone.
No ferry.
The last day we came here was absolutely roasting.
It was, Alex, we sat here and had an ice cream right on this bench. There, that's a cracking GSX though, John.
Oh, this?
Do you know what the GT stands for?
Grand Tourer.
Yeah.
Grand Tourer. Right, can you see that?
What's that?
You hear that?
You hear that? No?
No?
Aye?
Aye, you can?
Aye, you can?
Can hear you, aye?
Oh no,
Oh no, no, I've got my sat nav was talking to me there. I was just wondering if you could hear that
It's
too.
only you can hear it.
Right, that's cool. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, fucking dash didn't come on there. I was like, what the fuck? Right?
Hey.
Aye, good. Oh, good. Zip my jacket up. Hang on.
I do that all the time.
That'll do.
I'm zipped up.
That's as clear as anything.
So you can hear us okay now?
Yeah, aye, no bother. So that's obviously been the earplugs that were,
Yeah.
Well, it just shows you the earplugs work.
aye, they're very effective.
Too good.
Well, see, I've got the earplugs in, but I can hear crystal clear. So your ears must be really knackered, Alec.
Thanks. Oh, what's through here? We're still there.
You just watch the gravel coming around here.
Ah, I see it.
There's no half gravel there.
Fuck's sake.
That's getting some practice in these GS.
Aye.
Look at that.
Yeah, stunning, isn't it?
There's no half, So that was Kilcreggan. Nice little stop.
Bloody helmet's covered in dead shit.
I've got a V-sponge. Bloody brilliant, it just cleans the helmet. Cleans the visor.
Aye.
Couple of wipes and you're done. I'll send you a link to it. I got it on Amazon,
Aye.
I always buy them in a packy too, because I've got a couple of helmets and a couple of jackets and that, and like my work jacket, I keep one in there. I actually need to replace that because I threw it out yesterday. And then this jacket, and then my other textiles.
Well, I've only got this jacket, 2 pair of jeans, and my 2 pair of boots. And with this pair of gloves, a pair of gloves that doesn't fit me, and one on the way. That's
Yeah.
it. One helmet.
Oh Christ, I've got a wardrobe full. I have plenty of kit.
Saying about being a biker, I've noticed you can spend fortunes.
Very easily done, John, isn't it?
I'm at the point now where I've got enough. That's it.
I've never got enough.
There you go.
I've got 4 helmets. But my shark one, I don't wear that anymore. That was my very first helmet. See, when I was doing my DAS, the thing I couldn't get to grips with was that U-turn.
I actually got that in bother.
I could do everything else. I could do everything else perfect. Figure eights, slalom, all that rubbish. But the U-turn,
Just slow down here.
that kept catching me out. But yeah, when I done it in my Mod 1, no problem. And I'm sure the U-turn markings on the in the training centre was tighter than what it was.
Yeah, they are. They're about a foot tighter.
Aye.
He told me that. He says, because if you date that, you should be able to date no bother when you go to the test centre.
Yeah. Because when I done when I looked at it on the test centre, I thought that's massive. But now we can do a U-turn no problem, eh? It's all about confidence.
Aye. Practice as well.
Yeah. So you can hear us okay now, Alex?
Aye, perfect.
Aye, it's earplugs. I thought the earplugs that I bought you would have done the trick, like. But I'd still wear them if you're going out yourself.
Aye, I would do.
Because you should still be able to hear your music, no problem.
I'm going to go and get my ears tested.
Aye.
Now where we gone?
We went right the last time, eh?
We'll look up there.
It did say, oh aye, what are they doing?
That's where all the nuclear warheads are stored, behind that.
Yeah, right.
It stays there. We used to train up and down the fucking thing.
Have fun. Aye, you can only turn right here anyway, mate.
But you can't go down there unless you want arrested.
So that's where all the warheads are kept in, Alex.
Well, you don't know. You never ever find out.
Yeah.
But that's where the missiles go.
Uh-huh.
Right? Because all they do on there is put the warhead on the missile.
Right. Grab out.
Take your time on this.
Yeah.
Nah, this is just fresh. This wasn't like this the last time, Alec.
I hate that they're doing this to all the fucking roads.
I know.
They just done it from Long Loch back to West Calder.
Yeah, yeah.
It's kind of flat now, but
Yeah, that's fucking. That used to be a great road to do all this shit.
Mhm. Just cheap because they've just went over the
it's only
top.
for about a mile though.
Yeah.
They just go over the top of the old tarmac rather than dig out the old stuff and fix the sub base and all that. It's cheap.
See, this is going for quite a bit, eh?
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's all loose chippings.
I tell you, I had to get a new visor for my helmet because I was staying into it and smashed it.
Bloody hell.
Aye, smashed the fucking left hand side of my visor. A big fucking hole in it.
Wow.
Which is why when I go above like 25, 30 mile an hour, I always put my visor down.
Aye. Imagine that hitting your face.
That hit me in the eye like I lost it.
Yeah.
Got
Right.
the sun visor inside as well.
Yeah.
My Shoei doesn't have a sun visor in it.
Just gravel.
All my other helmets have got visors. My Schuberth, my LS2, my Shark.
How fucking long does this go for?
Miles.
Miles.
Miles and
You'll
miles.
find roads that are fucking you've never seen before.
Yeah.
And I've driven all over Scotland doing the job.
Aye, you have. Right, boys. Aye, just take your time.
Just my luck.
I'll tell you to the end of the road you need to watch.
Fucking hell, man.
Aye, just use your...
Look at your left when you come down, middle of fucking nowhere.
Too busy looking at the gravel in the middle of the road, but then there's looking at something else.
Stunning scenery, look at that.
Yeah,
Don't
gorgeous,
look,
innit?
don't look just in front of your bike, look way ahead.
Yeah.
Stunning.
You never expect to see this in the middle of nowhere, eh?
I know, eh?
Yeah. That's a cracking house, isn't it?
Beautiful. Do you do your own maintenance, John?
I'm going to.
Aye.
I was going to do it on the triple, but because this is still under warranty for another year, I can't touch it.
Yeah. I was the same with the Honda, but I did do wee cheeky oil changes in between, eh?
Aye, this has got like, you know, the bit of paint on all the bolts.
Aye.
Aye, so whatever.
Aye. I was the same with the Honda. But I didn't need anything apart from servicing, but I would service it in between their services. And I always use Honda genuine parts, so you never knew, eh? Fucking hell, man.
Just remember you've got the best tyres in the market.
Yeah. I'm going to hang back for you a wee bit because I just got sprayed with fucking chips.
You'll get salt and sauce with that.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
This should be banned for going down. What about cyclists coming along here?
I know.
I
Skitter,
can't remember the road being that fucking bad when you were along, Sean.
skittering about. No, it wasn't it? But like I say, they've just went over the top of the old surface.
Yep.
The lazy way of doing it.
They spray it with tar and then they just drop his chips on top of it.
Aye, and then walk away.
Yep.
I just got hit with a
So
stain.
sign up with loose chip and that's, I'm saying that's why I'm staying back with him a big bit. One hit me in the chest earlier on.
One hit me, one flicked up for you and hit me on the right knee.
Yeah.
Well, what you say, Sean, that's the last time this year we'll be over here.
Aye.
She's finishing up ahead.
This gravel's shocking.
Still see it lying around the road here. Yeah, it's obviously coming up from upstairs.
Your tyres pure white.
That way off.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a new bit of tar. How could they not have made that tar as well?
Yeah, I think this will be the same as that man. I think we'll spray the top of this and drop all that shit on top of it.
I hope not. There's
I'm
no...
sure this is what the road was like the last time we came all the way.
It was, Alec. It was good. It was smooth. Aye. It was smooth. Because we even commented on that the last time, how the road was that good. We just didn't have the camera the last time.
You know, it was only a couple of miles, wasn't it?
I'm down to 2 bars of fuel. How much fuel you got, John?
About half a tank.
It's alright, eh?
100 miles of mine. That's what it says, aye? Well, that's what it says. Unless you're inaccurate fucking fuel gauges.
Yeah. I'll stop at Calendar or something, or Stirling.
Well, I hate to say it, boys, but I've still got 227 mile in mine.
Is that all?
Aye.
Oh, it's good if we run out, you can nip to the garage and get us petrol.
Exactly. I carried
Ferrari.
Porsche.
Ah, I thought it was a Ferrari.
I carried fuel. I carried fuel on our European trip. John never used it. Cowed it back into the tank when I got back into the UK.
Well, as long as you stop often enough, you should do that.
Aye.
But it's handy to have just in case.
Yep, carried an extra gallon.
That'd be the one time that you need it, you've not got it.
Aye.
I've got a wee 2 litre that's for filling up the fuel.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Aye, absolutely cracking scenery, eh?
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Oops.
Look at the views I've got, eh?
Beautiful, eh? I need to fart. It's better.
It's climbed on these mountains.
Have you?
I've climbed up mountains.
Call it the Arica Alps.
One of my neighbours, he does all that, climbs all the Munros and hills and all that.
I've not been out this year at all, to be honest.
Yeah.
I used to get in the winter and all that, but it's too hard going for me now.
Aye. You ever go camping up them?
I did in the past, but no,
Yeah.